Hello and welcome. So in this video I bring you the sad news of the death of the Nigerian president. Born in 1925 at Shagari village in Sokoto state, Alhaji Shehu Shagari has the distinction of being Nigeria's first elected president, as well as being the second person to have come into power via democratic means in Nigeria. Alhaji Shehu Shagari founded the National Party of Nigeria, popularly known as NPN, and subsequently rode this party into power in 1979. Alhaji Shehu Shagari ruled the Nigerian state from 1979 till 1983, when his regime was abruptly truncated via a military coup. Ironically, the military coup that took Alhaji Shehu Shagari out of power was led by the now present democratic president, the incumbent Malam Buhari. So Alhaji Shehu Shagari passed away at the National Hospital in Abuja, aged 93. He will be remembered as a scholar, a quietly spoken man, and a gentleman. May his soul rest in peace. With that, I'll leave you there, and I'll say peace.